Hi everyone, welcome to this video. People often ask me, what's the first thing I should get for my new camera? And I always think a spare battery is really important because that's the one thing that will stop you from using the camera if there's no power. So the a6400, which I just recently got, has a charger that comes with it. It plugs into the camera, then into this little port, which can either go into a USB socket or into the power. The problem with this is that you can't use the camera while it's charging. So as soon as the battery runs out, the show's over until this finishes charging. So this is why I recommend this. I've had this before, my 6500 some years ago, which I sold and moved on to another brand. Now I've come back to the Sonys because they're good. So this charger, the way it works is it comes with a spare battery. So immediately you've got those two batteries on the go. So while this one is charging, the other one can be used and then swapped over. I'll show you just the specs on the side so you can get an idea of the times. I think it's 220 minutes to charge a battery. And this is what's in the pack. We'll have a look at that in a sec. And what else is there? I'm just looking if there's any other info. No, that's just, I'll give you a close-up of the actual type. I'll leave this link in the description if I can find it, so that you can have a look further there if you want any more info. But let's have a look inside. So what have we got? Power. So obviously this will come with the appropriate power for the country that you live in, wherever you're ordering it from, and just a little connector that will go into the power pack thing. I never know what these things are called. And then there's just pamphlets there. So that's that one. And in here is the charger and the little battery. These batteries are tiny, so they don't last super long, but it does make the camera nice and small, which is good. So I'll just take that out so you can see it. And there's the charger there. And the good thing about it's got a little indicator there to sort of show you how far along it's come and how much is left of charging, so you get an idea of how far the battery's been charged. But yeah, that's it. I just thought I'd share that with you because it's like a really good accessory to have. My number one. Because without power, there's no show. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or if you want me to cover any other topics, just let me know in the comments. I've now got the 6600 and 6400. So if you want a comparison, let me know. Or if you want to know any differences, similarities, which one to get, let me know and I'll make a video. Also any other film, photo, life stuff, just ask me in the questions. And subscribe if you want to see more from me. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.